Welcome back, guys. Let's custom build our stairs together. Our main level does have everything we need, but these stairs will come in handy when guests are staying over or when kiddos come into the picture, because this is where all the extra bedrooms are and where our entertainment room is going to be. We use rimboard for the sides and OSB for the faces. The most important thing is just to spend your time calculating your rise and run. You want to make sure you find a formula that you can comfortably walk up and down your stairs and headroom isn't an issue. We glued and nailed it all together to avoid squeaking and to ensure that it's solid. Checking to make sure that you're level throughout is also a really good idea. Most people do get other people to build their stairs, but we're just very glad we paid attention in math class so we could do it ourselves. The math really isn't that hard, and this was a quick afternoon project. I hope you enjoy, and remember, ask if you have any questions.